Hey gang, why don't you come along with us as we take a one-day road trip through Rocky Mountain National Park.
Old Fall River Road, one way. Here we go.
Going up.
Did you take the trip? Oh. Yeah.
Rising to an elevation above 11,000 feet, Old Fall River Road, which was the first automobile road to get to the top of the national park, is 11 miles long and has no guardrails, so be careful. Well, there's Chasm Falls. We'll leave it to the crowds. Due to its proximity to the Denver metro area, this place can get pretty crowded, especially on the weekends. So if you're going to do this drive, maybe try to do it on a Tuesday or Wednesday.
So cool. Original four-wheel drive. Okay, first sight of the visitor center. Way up there. What beautiful views. See if we can find a parking spot. It is limited. Okay, we're off.
Going down.
So we got to the top, ran in, got my stamp for my national parks book, and it's crazy busy here. It is still summer, but it's really busy.
Super slammed on a Wednesday.
Yeah, at 11 a.m.
Don't come here on the weekend.
Yeah,
That's for sure.
especially not in the summertime. So we're heading for Grand Lake on Trail Ridge Road.
And lunchtime for puppies. Well, we made it to a picnic site. We are in Rocky Mountain National Park, and lunch is on. Oh, such a boy. Such a boy. Yeah.
Well, we just finished up lunch, which worked out well. We had some brats, some chips, and birthday cookies. What was that?
Birthday cookies.
Hitting the road, heading down to Grand Lake.
That way.
Hopefully, the weather will hold off for a little bit longer.
In 2020, the town of Grand Lake experienced a wildfire that consumed more than 200,000 acres and destroyed over 350 homes. They're still recovering 5 years later. For those of you who are wondering why we're on a day trip and not on an overnighter with our trailer, we're currently waiting for parts. After 7 years of trails and miles and months out and about, we had some parts that could not be ignored and had to be ordered. Now that our trailer is fixed and ready to go, we look forward to going on our next adventures, and hopefully you can come along with us.